Hey guys, what's up? I'm joining you today from London, where we hear that the number of cases has doubled in the UK from the coronavirus. We hear that there are 8 people now confirmed with the coronavirus, with a GP in Brighton being shut down with a case found. We also hear that the death count from the coronavirus has risen to 910, with 97 deaths added since Sunday, which is a significant jump. We also hear that Boris plans to back the HS2, and we look forward to hearing more from this story. If we move to indices, we saw that the Asian session fell this morning, with the Hang Seng, the Australian index and the Nikkei 225 all falling back. This is with a significant jump in the number of deaths from the coronavirus. This kind of negative sentiment has been passed over into the European and US session. We see that the European FTSE fell 0.3%, and the US Dow Jones and US 500 both rose 0.3% and 0.38% as the US economy continues to show its resilience. If we move to shares, we hear that Xerox upgrades their bid for HP to $24 per share from the original $22 per share offer back in November. We see that HP is up 1.73% at the moment, and we see that Xerox is up 1.51%. If we move to FX, we see that the pound has continued to hold above the 1.29 level of support despite dipping below this level on Friday. We see that it is up against the US dollar 0.24%. We see that the Chinese yuan is making a little comeback, with China pumping money into the markets. We see that the USD Chinese yuan is down 0.31%. We also see that the USD Japanese yen is flat, up 0.01%. This is with markets awaiting direction. If we move to commodities, we see that gold is up 0.26%, with investors flooding into safe havens. It is at a price of $1,574 per ounce. We see that oil has continued its fall, with OPEC delaying their meeting till March, with Russia unsure about a cut. We see the WTI is down 0.99% and Brent crude is down 1.59%. If we move to bonds, we see that bonds are down across the board, so this means prices are rising for bonds, so investors are flooding into safe havens. We see that the UK 2-year and 10-year are both down, the US 2-year and 10-year are also down, and the German 2-year is flat, but the 10-year is down. Thank you for listening.